Hello and welcome to my week 19 decluttering challenge update. This week I did the things I've been avoiding like crazy and I cleaned out the refrigerator. Yeah, so definitely more than 5 items. But I cleaned out the refrigerator, just the refrigerator part, not the freezer. And not a lot, but several containers of stuff that like leftovers that were questionable and needed to go, and a couple things that were expired. But one of the things I've noticed that we had a lot of, to me seems like a lot, were ketchup packets. Just ketchup packets. I know my kids sometimes just take like a ketchup packet, which I don't know why. We have plenty of ketchup. They'll take a ketchup packet or every time we leave. And I cleaned out a lot of ketchup packets. And they put them in the door, but then when you shut the door, they just start falling. And they end up all over the refrigerator. So I cleaned out a lot of ketchup packets, which got me wondering, first of all, what's one area in your house that you just avoid like cleaning or looking at because you don't want to think about it? And second, what is something that you end up with a lot of in your home that you don't understand why? Like, why is this the thing we have a lot of? Because for us, it's bringing in those ketchup packets that then never get used, but my kids continue to bring in ketchup packets, and I don't understand. So, yeah, I'm curious.